Hi everyone, welcome to LCC Food. I am Jinal Mehta and today we are going to make apple pie. For that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. In that we'll add 2 medium size of apple diced and mix it well. In that we'll add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoon of brown sugar and 2 tablespoon of white sugar and mix it well. We have to mix it till the sugar melts. Now we'll remove all the extra liquid in a bowl and keep it aside. Once we've removed all the extra liquid, we'll add half tablespoon of corn flour to the apples and mix it till all the extra water evaporates. Once all the excess liquid has evaporated, our apples are done and we'll keep it aside. Now in another pan, we'll take all the excess liquid which we had removed before and caramelize it. Once the white bubbles start to form, our liquid has started to caramelize, so we have to mix it till it becomes little thick. Now our liquid is caramelized, so we'll add this to the cooked apple. We'll mix it well and let it cool down completely. Now we'll half bake our pie dough in a preheated oven at 180 for 10 minutes. For the recipe of a pie crust, please see the link below. Till our pie crust is getting baked, from the leftover dough, we will roll the stripes for the top of our apple pie. We have to roll our dough thin as a pie crust. Now we'll cut thick stripes from our dough. We have to cut this thick for the top of our apple pie. Now our crust is half baked. We'll add our apple mixture to it and then cover it with the stripes. Now with the help of a knife, we'll gently cut the extra edges of the stripes and again bake it in an oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our apple pie is ready to be served. With the help of a knife, just loosen the edges and unmold it. But remember to unmold it when it is little warm. Now apple pie is ready to be served. You can serve it along with some vanilla ice cream. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our Instagram page @LCC Food. Thank you.